Brows and lashes can make such a massive difference to the lift of our whole eye area. It just gives you that little bit of a spring in your step. I've got a brow product that I'm going to show you. It's gel and it's made for women over 40 and it is so easy to use. I like my brows super dark, so I'm going in with black to show you the Code Beautiful NBD Natural Brow Definer. It was made to conceal and cover greys and bring back the natural pigment in your brows, so I don't get my brows tinted anymore. Just look, I've gone very light with the brush. Look how it's just lifted my whole face before I've even put on mascara. So I'm going through, I'm always going up, up, up and along instead of bringing the face down. So up through the brows. You can build it if you want. It keeps your brows really soft, very natural. It's absolutely gorgeous. It comes in bronze, grey, black and brown. The brown's really warm. I love the black. I think the black is fantastic for blonde ladies even that like that coolness, as well as people with dark hair. So I'm next going to show you this FFL Forget Fake Lashes. And when you look at this, you think, oh my goodness, that looks so clumpy and messy. But when you put it on the lashes, it's like a conditioning lift and it will improve the performance of any mascara. So it's a lash primer and it gives volume and length to your lashes and condition before you put your mascara on. It's called Forget Fake Lashes by Code Beautiful. When you put it on, it doesn't look like it's done anything. And then the magic happens when you apply mascara. So really you should leave it for about 30 seconds. I'm going to use a brown mascara. Is this a brown mascara? No, it's a black mascara, but it comes in brown and it comes in blue. This is Code Beautiful VLM Volumizing Lengthening Mascara. It's award-winning. All the products are cruelty-free and vegan, and they're made by women over 40, for women over 40. And it will keep your lashes in place all day long, give you that gorgeous lift and length. I mean, look at that, I've done the tiniest amount, but you can build it up and build it up as much as you want. Absolutely amazing. It comes off really lovely as well with a water-based cleanser. It's water resistant, not waterproof. And the difference is waterproof mascaras tend to be quite heavy, and they weigh the lashes down, whereas water resistance, you can have a good old cry, a good old laugh, and it won't smudge, it won't flake, it won't drop, and it will stay in place until you remove it with a water-based cleanser. Just look at the difference. Instant eye lift. So there is a kit that I'll link to that's called the Instant Eye Lift Kit, or you can just get the brow product. And there is a lash kit as well. When you buy several products together, they're really great value. They do exactly what they promise. Have a read of the reviews, and if you've got any questions, pop them below and I'd love to help you.